Here's how I do beach waves on my long hair clients. We start with a traditional round brush blowout, and then we use a 1.5-inch curling iron to get this loose wave effect that you see. Hair's blown out, leaf and flower, all the products, oil, K18, everything. So it's feeling nice and strong. And I'm gonna take a section where I'm basically separating the halo, which is like all of her hairline, front to back, face framing, sides, underneath. This whole crown section, which I would call the interior of the hair, we're just gonna clip that up out of the way. And I like to use a carbon comb when we're working with hot tools because it won't melt. So I'm gonna start in the back. I'm just like splitting right in the middle of the nape like that, and then I'm sectioning out with my finger, just kind of like a triangle section, as much hair as I think I can possibly do at a time and still get a consistent curl. Then I'm gonna go right in with this is like a 1.5-inch barrel, starting mid-shaft close to the scalp. The ends are going in last, and we're just working it around. And tension and tension. And when we get to the bottom and the ends are going through, that's the most tension, and we're pulling down. So see how we're almost just leaving them straight, almost like a fishtail. And then I just work my way around the perimeter. Next section. Everything is going back away from her face. Tension, tension, and pulling down. I'm doing mostly vertical sections on the sides. And this is gonna assist with the ribbon effect of the waves showing off the contrast in the color. And then sometimes you gotta go in and just smooth that end. Okay, so now we're all the way to the front, and we have like her bang section here. I'm gonna put that up, and we have just this little fine side section, which is her face framing. I'm extra careful with this section because it's fine hair. It's been highlighted. So we're just quickly running through it with the iron, not letting it sit on for very long at all. This piece, which is gonna be kind of a curtain bang because she's got shorter layers up front here, we're pulling that forward. It's still split in the middle, she center parts, but we're pulling it forward and then wrapping in right at the root, working it around and barely hitting the end. So there's her side done, and we're not touching anything. We're letting all this cool down. Letting all those curls cool before we start touching them or brushing them out. And then same thing other side. The curling iron that I'm using is from Jay-Z Styles. I ordered it off her website. She's another YouTuber, salon owner. She has like an extension salon in Utah. Anyway, she sells these tools. I bought this flat iron, or this curling iron, from her site. It's pretty great for long hair. It's got digital heat setting, extra long barrel, so you can see you can power through long thick hair relatively quickly with it. So I really like it for doing my waves. Here's another shot of how I do the side sections, just doing vertical sections back away from her face. the bangs we're pulling forward and then curling back away, just like so, barely hitting the ends, being very gentle because the hair around the face is finer, more fragile, it's been highlighted more. Okay, and then we're gonna start powering through this interior. She's got a lot of hair, so we're gonna have to take somewhat smaller sections for control. And again, put that up out of the way. The top is gonna be the very last section. We're stretching anything, we're just letting everything cool down into that shape.
Okay.
Come over here to finish. Away from the face or toward the back of the head or toward the crown, whichever way you want to think of it.